to get that checked without having some Rincon Colombiano, right? That's the name of it. And some guest stuffed milkshake. Facts. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna try it out. I never tried this place out. They just open. You saw what we're working with, right? Check it out. You know what I mean? That's the beans with the avocado. And then we got my milkshake from Get Stuffed. You know what I'm saying? Let's try this place out. You know what I mean? Got the plátano. Pros. Got the meat. The ground meat. With the rice. I prefer the ground beef than the we got this chicharron. I'm gonna put this in there and this sausage pause. Good go. Facts. Gonna open this avocado. I mean, so this kid called No Diddy. My bad. This kid called Lil Nitty was shot 11 times. 11 times he was shot. I never heard of him before. I just saw this dude that worked at No Jumper called Poetic Flacco. You know, he stuttered like a motherfucker. Anyway, I saw him over and good go. It's not too salty like all the other Colombian spots I've had. Really good. But anyway, let's try the milkshake. You saw how the straw changed color? Yo, get stuffed. Oh, it's changing color already. Y'all like that, right? Go try Get Stuffed. Facts. Anyway, so this kid, No Diddy, right? I mean, Lil Nitty. He got shot 11 times. He was in a car, right? And I never heard of him before. He don't really got a large following. You know what I mean? Nowadays, everybody's a rapper. But the story's kind of crazy. So, he got shot 11 times. He was able to find a phone, an iPhone 8, under the chair. He says it wasn't his phone. He said he don't know whose phone it was. Know what I mean? and he called his dad. I mean, he didn't call him. He texted his dad. These beans are good. Now, I don't know how this kid was able to remember his dad's number and text him at the same time while he shot 11 times. Anyway, and I read the text, and the text it was like, shot. No, first is he texted him why. Then he says shot. Then he says, I'm dying. And he said, Dad, I'm shot. I'm dying. And his dad first texted him back. He said, who is this? Then he texted him, where you at? And I didn't see what was after that, but this kid survived. He was able to survive because of that call. You know what I mean? Word. Wow. That's the thing about eating ground beef. It might make you cough a little. You know what I'm saying? It might go down the wrong pipe, you heard? Word. Anyway, so here's just a lesson for you mother humpers out there that don't pay your phone bills. Right? Pay your damn phone bills. Alright? I don't care if you're like, oh, there's Wi-Fi now. I don't gotta pay my phone bill. Yeah. Imagine you were stuck in a situation like that. Or it could be another situation. You could get lost somewhere. You know, when you out, or you could go out shopping and something could happen in the store or something or whatever. You didn't pay your phone bill. You know, you can't stay in McDonald's for 24 hours a day with the Wi-Fi. You can't stay in a freaking Starbucks 24 hours, you know what I'm saying? I mean, right? Eventually you're gonna have to get in the car or whatever, walk your ass somewhere. And situations happen, you know what I mean? So make sure you pay your phone bills, you bums. Seriously, you know what I'm saying? Keep your services on. Don't think Wi-Fi is gonna save you. You know what I mean? Wi-Fi ain't gonna save you, right? Pay your damn phone bills, you bum ass mother humpers. Facts. Stop living off of other people. You know what I'm saying? Shoot, pay your damn phone bill. Pay your bills. You heard? Peace. I'm out. It's your boy Heck to the Tech. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Peace. This food is good. Get stuffed. I mean, Rincon Colombiano. Go get some now.